Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. As you know, we are diving deep into the world of Tableau, learning about different charts one by one. Today we are exploring a powerful tool called the bar in bar chart. Take a look. This is a bar in bar chart that help us compare two different measures. Right now in this chart we are comparing the retail sale and the total sales. This blue line is for retail sale and this other color is for my total sales. Each pair of this bar in this chart represent the same region but compared to different values, the sales and the retail sales. This allows us to easily see where sales are higher or lower compared to the retail sale. In southern case, we having the retail sale of 2400 while the total sale is 2800, means we are having more total sales.
So first of all, I will put the region into the rows. Then I will be adding the sales to the columns. Then from here I will selecting it entire view so it fit nicely to the screen. Then I will sorting my sales from largest to smallest to get a clear view of my sales by region. So I'm selecting this one. Now I will be adding my retail sales to the columns. Now at this point we have two bar charts. To combine these both charts, now I will click on my this retail sales, and in this I will be selecting this dual axis. This will merge these both charts into one. Now here in this mark section I'm having this window for my sales and this for my retail sales. Now in my retail sales I'm selecting this one and I'm converting it to bar chart. Similarly I'm selecting my this sales and I'm converting it to bar chart. This large bar chart shows my this total sales and this blue one showing my retail sales. Now under my this retail sales I'm going to select this size and I'm decreasing its size to this.
And this is all with reference to bar in bar chart. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Tableau charts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Goodbye.